All right, so let's go over the homework. So let's kind of go through them why they are the way they are. All right, so C, FAC, B, E, G, D, E, F, A, F, D, D, B, G. Remember the G, F there? F's right here. Goes up to G. F, A, E, D, A, C, D, C, middle C, F, C, F, A. There, the F here. If it goes where the F flips, the space is G, and you go up to A. D. Oh, what's this? Middle C, right? Middle C is right there. So one step below is B. G. Number 2 line C. Go down, go back a step. Get B. A. Middle C is here. The space is B. Line is A. D. Remember the 2 lines C. Back step B. There's your 2 line C. Second page. Now we have to go an octave higher. So D, D, B. So that's G here. One line is A. On top of it is B. Remember the 2 lines above is C. It's G. And it's A. Remember, top line is F, space, and then A. This one, remember 2 lines up is C. Above that is D. So 3 leisure lines up is E. Another E goes to that E. C to C. A, C, B, A goes to A. F goes to F. F. Double line is C. It's D. 3 lines is E. So 3 lines on top is the F. D to D. C to double line on top C. It's a B, it's below middle C. B. Middle C. C. A to A. C, B, A, G, F. Goes to F. D, it's C. Top of that's D. C, B, A, G. Goes to G. Sorry, it's right on the line. Okay, now we're going to go down. G to G. C to middle C. E to E. This is going to be fun. E. So you go middle C, B, A, G, F, E. You guys see that? It's C, B, A, G, F. Sorry. C, B, A, G, F. That one there. And that's E. A, 2, that's middle C, B, A. F, 2, F. G, C, B, A, G. A to A. B, B. 2 lines up is C, D, E. Goes to E. B goes to B. D goes to D. F, C, B, A, G, F. C goes to C. D is above. Line up. G goes to G. C goes to C. F goes to F. A goes to C, B, A. All right, now the bass clef. Remember the things of the bass clef, you know? It's good boys do fine always. All cows eat grass. All right, so that's a D, A, C. It's that 2 lines below C, so that's a D. It's a G, B, middle C, because that's on the bass clef, so that's middle C, A, F, B, A, F. Because this is the good part. Good boys do fine always. One below is the F. B again. B again. 2 lines below is the C. A, F, C, G, G, E, E. Because remember, you have the G space the F. There's the E. A, E, C, F, G. Remember, 2 lines below is the C. 1 above is D. B. Middle C is here, so that's D. C, F, C. There's middle C, D, E. All right, so it's doing octave above. So we're going to go A to A, F2, that's middle C, that's D, that's E, there's F. That's an E. Remember, 2 lines below is a C. It's E, E, B, B. 2 lines below is a C, so that's D, D, E. So here's middle C, that's D, that's E. F to F, G, this is going to be fun. Middle C, D, E, F, G. C to middle C, G to G, D, middle C, D. That's a C, 2 lines below, so that's C. A, so Ready for this? Middle C, D, E, F, G, A. 2 lines below C, 1 below is B, B. D, middle C, D. G, G, middle C, D, E. It's an F. There's your C. All right. So now at the bass clef. Treble clef to bass clef. Going down. All right. So now you have to think in your head where it is in the bass clef. D, an octave below D, is this D here. G, octave below, is that G. A. This A is exactly the same as that A. So it's the same. So you got to go below that. So it's this. B goes to just B here. Middle C. It's the same as that middle C there, so you have to go to the C. C goes to middle C. E goes to this E. F goes down to F. B is the same as this B, so you gotta go below that. D, that's middle C, that's the D. That G is just the same as that G, so you gotta go below that. So this is exactly the same, except now it's a grand staff. So it should be pretty easy because now it's all on the line. You don't have all these ledger lines all over the place. So F, G, E, C, E, D, D, A, E, G, F, B, A, C, C, A, E, G, B, C, G, D, D. Now go through your flashcards so that way you can identify the notes just as fast as I just did this. If you do it often enough, you will. All right, so now we need notes other than this one. Now, you only need 3 other ones. I'll give you more of them if they are available. So any of the other ones are fine. So any 3 of these, any other 3 is fine. So here's a D below, a D above, there's a D, and there's a D. And if you want to be crazy, this is also a D. This is C, so you can have 2 lines below C, you have this C, you have middle C, you can have the 2 line C on top. All right, F, this F, this F. Now, just know that this C, D, E, F, these 2 are the same notes. Just like these 2 are the same notes. F, C, D, E. So if you went to a piano and you played this note, that's exactly the same note. All right, B, it's B below, there's a B, this B is exactly the same, here's a B, and there's a B. G, G. This G is exactly the same. G, G. A, C, B, A, A, A. 2 lines below, and that's the same A. And then there's an A. Forgetting I'm on camera. Just writing stuff down. All right, E. 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 Anyways, 2 lines above here, E is the same as that. Those are the same notes. And then you can go crazy and do that E. Sorry, yeah. All right, G. This G. This G. That G. And C, D, E, F, G. C. 2 lines C. Middle C. Middle C and middle C here are the same, depending on where you put it. Doesn't make a difference. They're both still middle C. I mean, technically, you can put it almost in the center, depending on where the melody is going. C and 2 lines C. B, C, B, B, B. This is the same B, and then B. And let's do these. D, D, that's the same D, D, and D. And this is just kind of a practicing how to do it. Remember, I'm going to curl around the G, go around down, go up, and then curl down. Bass clef, you go around here, down, and then put 2 dots between the F. Now the notes on the lines, you want to make sure that they're completely on the line. You don't want to do that, because that doesn't look right. That still looks like it's supposed to be on this one. It's supposed to look like that. Notes on spaces, make sure they're exactly in the space. There's no ambiguity. All right? So if I'm going to make another one here, I do that, that, that. Okay? All right, and I will see you in next video. Okay? Sorry, that way. There you go. That works. All right, see you next video.